I'm on a motorcycle road trip with the BMW. So yesterday I did pretty much exactly 1100 kilometers in total. Now basically for today I'm gonna try and get through France. If I want to do that, it's gonna take me about probably 12-13 hours of driving pretty much, so we'll have to see. And so day 2 continues in southern France, where I was driving on the highway and I was actually making some really good progress. Quick fuel stop and a bathroom stop. Now it's time to go back. Gonna have a little snack here, but yeah, so far so good. Got a lot of bugs flying in, which is really annoying, but I'll manage. And so it was time to get back on the bike and start driving towards Paris. And everything was actually going really well, but with 40 kilometers left to go, it didn't. Okay, now I'm super worried. My range is 0 and the next gas station is 14 kilometers away. I've been driving on 0 range for the past 6-7 kilometers. Okay, so basically I was driving on the highway, and every now and then you get those signs on the highway that says like how much mileage there is to the next gas station. And there was a certain amount of mileage left, and I had a lot of range left, and I had like 20 extra range until I make it to the gas station. Just before the gas station, a lot of road work started to come in. There was nobody working on the roads. There were just those freaking cones. When I was supposed to turn right to the petrol station, it's blocked off because of the road works, and also it was closed. Now for that reason I had to stop somewhere and just see where the nearest gas station is, because yeah, I'm pretty much in trouble. I have 12 kilometers to go and I gotta make this. Just gonna try and roll, use as little gas as possible. I mean, I'm sure someone will help me maybe, but still, this is so not good. There's this small, I don't know what village is this, but this doesn't have any petrol station in it. Oh, come on, bike, you can make it. I'm just outside of Paris, probably like 30-40 k's out. If I get stranded, and look at this road, it's so lonely. If I get stranded, it's not good. There's not going to be a lot of cars passing by. I'm just waiting for the first time when the bike like, Damn. I still got 8.6 to go. It's a very, very beautiful road. I mean, this would be a perfect pace for a photo, but I don't want to stop. Oh no, red light. Red light. Why? Why is there a red light? I turned green, I didn't see it. Oh my god. I've been driving for 17 kilometers with range saying 0. Oh, I'm just rolling downhill. 2.9 to go. Yeah, I think so. Just little fuel. Oh, okay. Very little. Up. Nope, nope, no, no. Benzene, yeah. Yeah, because... yeah, because it's like...
Go with me?
Yeah, 2 kilometers.
Wait, go with me.
Bottle? Do you have a bottle?
Yeah.
Do you have?
Yeah.
Is it because I have a lot of stuff? Is it possible, because like If I give you money, can you go and get?
Money, yeah.
Yeah, and you can get it. Yeah, because it takes a long time to take everything off.
Yeah.
So.
I make girls it.
Yeah. Yeah, because I just leave. Just this is enough. This is enough. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm go benzine. Je reviens.
Yeah. Yeah. 98, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so the freaking worst thing possible just happened. I ran out of fuel, but luckily this one chap stopped, and there's like a gas station like 2 kilometers from here, and he's gonna get me some fuel. But man, I like, how is this even possible, man? This is the first time I've ever get stranded with a motorcycle. I did with my moped like 10 years ago, but Jesus Christ. But luckily the guy's gonna come and help me out. It was yeah, it's good. Because I was running on the highway. Yeah, the motorway. Yeah, perfect. How much you want? Gift? No, I'm gonna pay for it. I gotta pay you. No, come on. No. You sure? Sure. Very sure. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Well, what can I say? That was probably one of the nicest guys. Yeah. Jesus, that was like the nicest guy. He didn't speak a lot of English, but man, he didn't even take money for this. I'm so lucky he stopped, because some people don't usually stop even though they see people stranded. But Jesus Christ! These roadworks, and then there's nobody working on them, then they close the petrol station because of that and stuff, so Jesus! But luckily the guy stopped. He probably gave me diesel. No, I mean, it smelled like gasoline, so. But yeah. Jesus Christ! When the range got to 0, it says 0 right now even, but when it got to 0, I drove, hang on, 19 kilometers with range 0, actually 20 kilometers in range is 0. And then the guy didn't even take any money for it. I mean, what a nice guy, what a nice guy. Oh, Jesus Christ. And to add to my list, because I have my tank bag over here, so I filled up the tank, and then I drank some water. I put the water bottle back in the tank bag, and the freaking water bottle exploded inside the damn tank bag. So I thought it was dripping fuel, but then I realized, oh man, it's water. And yeah, lost my water bottle then. It's not a biggie, but Jesus Christ. The amount of crap that's happened now is... How is this even possible? I had to take such a big detour and couldn't find a goddamn petrol station. Like, really? But yeah, I'm just gonna go now and drive this road and enter the highway again, drive by Paris, so I'll see you guys on the way. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. Yeah, I've never seen this much traffic. Or I have to be in the driver's seat when in this much traffic. I've never seen anything like this. Never. So I'm in Germany right now, just outside the Autobahn. Okay, we got some street racers here.